Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a perfect Italian style apple cake. It's a very easy recipe, a traditional one, and it's basically a sponge, a little bit more juicy than the normal one, and with lemon soaked apples inside. You'll find all the ingredients for the apple cake inside the video, and I'll put everything, the method as well, in the description below. If at the end of the video you like this recipe and the video, just thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel and visit also my website lcskitchen.com for more recipes and advices. Enjoy and let's cook!